Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough, a-hee, a-hee. No one heard him. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed moo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo.